Hepatitis A is an infectious acute disease of the liver caused by hepatitis A virus, portrayed by the liver with the happy face and tie buying apple. Happy tie apple, hepatitis A. Hepatitis A virus is a member of the picornavirus family, illustrated by the pickle corn. This virus has a relatively short incubation period of 3 weeks, shown by the 3 tree, in comparison to the incubation period of other hepatitis-causing viruses, and is typically acquired via the fecal-oral route, shown by the apple falling into the pile of feces. Due to poor hygiene in many daycare centers, there is an increased incidence of hepatitis A infection in young children, shown by the kids playing with the daycare toys. In industrialized countries, the infection is often contracted by susceptible adults who travel to countries with high incidence of disease, portrayed by the hepatitis A character who is backpacking. In most individuals, infection is typically asymptomatic, shown by the happy kids without symptoms, or causes a self-limited acute disease that does not result in chronic infection, shown by the acute angle sign. Patients that are not asymptomatic typically demonstrate symptoms including jaundice, the jaundice janitor, fever, the fever beaver, and vomiting.
This happy Thai liver traveler is backpacking through a third-world country. Didn't anyone warn him not to buy food from sketchy street vendors, especially if the vendor has an acute angle sign warning? Too late now because the happy Thai liver man has his eye set on the food. The fever beaver is selling apples and pickled corn, but he is not feeling well today. He is vomiting all over the stand, so the yellow janitor has to clean it up. The fever beaver makes a living selling apples grown from the 3-shaped apple tree behind him. It took him 3 weeks to grow all the apples, and now he is reaping the benefit. Kids love to play by the apple tree, but they better wash their hands after touching the pile of poop around them or they are going to get sick.